grilled pineapple. If you go to a Brazilian steakhouse, the number one thing you're going to want is meat on a stick. But a close second is grilled pineapple, and it's probably the last thing that you're going to order right before you walk out the door. I'm going to show you how to make it today. Grilled pineapple is best when it's fresh. It's not the kind of thing that you want to pick up curbside or have delivered because it's going to go cold and won't be as good. So if you order that meat in, go ahead and grill your own pineapple and eat it at its peak. You know your pineapple's ripe when it starts to turn yellow and smells like a pineapple at the base. Don't be afraid of cutting up fresh pineapple because it's easy. Chop off the top and flip it so it's cut side down. You're going to want to cut around the contours of the pineapple to remove the rind. Now the temptation is to barely cut under the surface, but you'll end up doing a lot more work removing the seeds later. If you do it right, you'll see just a little bit of yellow pineapple and not the brown bits. Rotate the pineapple and cut another stripe off, overlapping with the last cut. Just keep rotating it around and cutting off another slice until it's clean. You'll miss a few spots here and there, so give it a quick touch-up. The sweetest part of the pineapple is the base, so cut it off and eat it off camera. It's way too juicy to eat in front of people. Let's remove the core from our pineapple that sits in the center. The easiest way to do that is by cutting it into quarters to expose the tough core that you really don't want to eat. Put the pineapple quarter on end and slice it down to remove it. And if you should have gone a little deeper, you can always give it just another slice. The glaze has brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt to enhance the sweetness. Mix it all together to coat your pineapple, and I cover it pretty heavy just to make sure that I have every single part of it covered because this is the best part. When you're done, fire up the grill to about medium. If you go too hot, you'll burn the sugars and it won't be good. People make fun of gas grills, but I've said for a long time the best grill is the one that you have and know how to use. For grilled pineapple, the gas grill is king. It's easy to adjust the temperatures and you can get it exactly the way you want it for the best caramelization of those sugars on the pineapple. Now I posted 2 different pictures to Instagram, one on a gas grill and one with grilled pineapple on the charcoal grill. The gas grill came out much better. That doesn't mean that charcoal grills are bad, but the smoke flavor doesn't really add anything to the pineapple, and it's much harder to adjust the temperatures once you've already started grilling. But I would use it if I was already cooking something on it and the pineapple was going to be a side dish. After 10 minutes, the pineapple juices have mixed with the sugar and salt and glazed the entire surface. So put them directly on the grill for a couple of minutes per side to see how they're cooking, and I err on the side of flipping them too often to keep them from burning. Flip the pineapple every couple of minutes until you get the caramelization you like. You'll end up cooking both sides a few times, but let your nose be your guide. If you smell caramel, it is time to flip. Put them on the top rack to finish so that way they'll keep warm. Then take them off the grill and put them back on the pan with a rub. They'll put off a little bit of juice and make an amazing syrup in the pan. Another reason to use the gas grill is to clean up the mess. Just fire it up and burn off all the sugar you left behind. Chop up the pineapple into big pieces and don't wait to try the first piece. After all, you earned it. And haters gonna hate, but I put this one on a pizza.